What is the total expenditure proposed for the defense sector in Union Budget 2026 to 27? Right answer is option C, 7.85 lakh crore rupees. What is the estimated fiscal deficit target for 2026 to 27 as a percentage of GDP? Right answer is option B, 4.3%. In how many secondary schools and colleges does the government plan to establish content creator labs? Right answer is option B, 15,000 schools and 500 colleges. What is the total projected expenditure for the financial year 2026 to 27? Right answer is option D, 53.5 lakh crore rupees. How many times consecutively has Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman presented the Union Budget till 2026? Right answer is option B, ninth time. What is the estimated nominal size of India's economy for the financial year 2025 to 26? Right answer is option B, 330.68 lakh crore rupees. How many new national waterways have been proposed in the Union Budget 2026 to 27? Right answer is option C, 20. From which date will the Income Tax Act 2025 come into effect? Right answer is option B, 1 April 2026. How many new All India Institutes of Ayurveda have been proposed in the Union Budget 2026? Right answer is option B, 4. What is the projected public capital expenditure for financial year 2026 to 27? Right answer is option C, 12.2 lakh crore rupees. The proposed dedicated chemical parks will be built on which model? Right answer is option D, plug and play model. The security transaction tax on options premium has been increased to what rate? Right answer is option C, 0.15%. The new dedicated freight corridor is proposed to connect which two places? Right answer is option A, Dankuni to Surat. What is the central budgetary allocation for newly launched VBG Ramji scheme for 2026 to 27? Right answer is option B, 95,692 crore rupees. Under Coastal Cargo Promotion Scheme, the cargo share is targeted to increase to what percentage by 2047? Right answer is option B, 6% to 12%. What is the primary focus of the India Semiconductor Mission 2.0? Right answer is option D, semiconductor sector growth. What is the allocation for the special assistance to states for capital investment scheme? Right answer is option C, 2 lakh crore rupees. The CCUS scheme announced in the 2026 to 27 budget primarily targets which of the following? Right answer is option B, decarbonizing hard to abad industrial sectors. What is the total outlay announced for the carbon capture, utilization and storage scheme in the Union Budget 2026? Right answer is option C, 20,000 crore rupees. In the Union Budget 2026 to 27, which high-speed rail corridor has been proposed? Right answer is option D, Delhi to Varanasi. What is the estimated debt to GDP ratio for budget estimates 2026? Right answer is option B, 55.6%. The Mahatma Gandhi Gram Swaraj initiative has been linked to which mission? Right answer is option A, Samarth 2.0 mission. How much amount has been allocated for the Jal Jeevan mission? Right answer is option C, 67,670 crore rupees. Who is the first finance minister to present the union budget on Sunday? Right answer is option C, Nirmala Sitharaman. According to the Union Budget 2026 to 27, where will the 8th National Institute of Design be established? Right answer is option C, Eastern India. The National Council of Hotel Management will be upgraded to which institute? Right answer is option D, National Institute of Hospitality. What is the Bharat Vistar announced in the Union Budget 2026 to 27? Right answer is option B, a multilingual AI based platform for farmers. Which of the following scheme is being replaced by the VBG Ramji scheme? Right answer is option C, MG Narega. Which article of the Indian Constitution refers to the budget as the annual financial statement? Right answer is option B, Article 112. The word budget is derived from which language? Right answer is option D, French. In which house of the Indian Parliament is the Union Budget introduced first? Right answer is option C, Lok Sabha. Who is responsible for preparing the Union Budget of India? Right answer is option B, Department of Economic Affairs. In which year was the railway budget merged with the Union Budget in India? Right answer is option C, 2017 to 18. When was the first ever budget introduced in India? Right answer is option A, 7 April 1860. Which union budget was the first in India to be presented in a completely paperless format? Right answer is option B, Union Budget 2020 to 21. In which year was the Economic Survey of India separated from the Union Budget? Right answer is option D, 1964. Who was the first full-time woman finance minister of India? Right answer is option B, Nirmala Sitharaman. In which year was the zero based budgeting first introduced in India? Right answer is option B, 1983. On which date is the annual union budget of the central government currently presented in India? Right answer is option B, February 1. Who holds the record for presenting the highest number of union budgets in India? Right answer is option D, Nirmala Sitharaman. From which year did the Union of India budget start being presented on February 1st? Right answer is option C, 2017. Who is considered the father of the Indian budget system? Right answer is option B, James Wilson. In which language is the Union budget officially presented in the Indian Parliament? Right answer is option A, English and Hindi. Who presented the first Union budget of independent India? Right answer is option A, R.K. Shanmughan Shetty. During which of the following years was gender budgeting introduced in India? Right answer is option C, 2005 to 2006. Which country first introduced zero-based budgeting? Right answer is option D, United States. In the Indian Constitution, the budget is referred to as the. Right answer is option B, Annual Financial Statement. What is the duration of the financial year in India? Right answer is option B, 1st April to 31st March. A budget is a plan which is expressed in which form? Right answer is option A, monetary terms. Who presents the annual union budget of India before the Lok Sabha? Right answer is option C, Union Finance Minister. Which of the following forms the largest share of the deficit in the budget of the Government of India? Right answer is option D, fiscal deficit. Which of the following union budgets is famously known as the Black Budget in Indian economic history? Right answer is option B, 1973 to 74. The term interim budget was first used by R.K. Shanmughan Shetty in his budget speech in which year? Right answer is option A, 1947. In which year was railway budget separated from general budget on the recommendation of the Ackworth Committee? Right answer is option C, 1924. How many times has a paperless budget been presented in Parliament up to the financial year 2026 to 27? Right answer is option C, 6 times. Who has delivered the longest budget speech in terms of duration in Indian history? Right answer is option D, Nirmala Sitharaman. The first budget system in India was introduced in 1860 during the tenure of which viceroy? Right answer is option D, Lord Canning. Before the year 2017, on which day was the Union Budget of India traditionally presented? Right answer is option B, last working day of February. Who was the first Prime Minister of India to present the Union Budget in Parliament? Right answer is option A, Jawaharlal Nehru. Who was the Finance Minister of India when the economic reforms of 1991 were introduced? Right answer is option C, Dr. Manmohan Singh. In which year and by whom was the budget first presented in a cloth bag instead of a leather briefcase? Right answer is option C, in 2020 by Nirmala Sitharaman. Who was the first woman to present the budget in India and in which year was it presented? Right answer is option B, Indira Gandhi in 1970. Whose approval is required before presenting the budget in Parliament? If you know the correct answer of this question, so give your answer of this question in this video comment box. Now see you soon in the next coming informative video. Thanks for watching. Please do like and subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon for new updates and notifications.